everyone, it's me, Desiree Marie. Welcome back to my channel. I love talking about my locks, but today I'm going to be answering one of your questions. And just to give a little prelude, I will be doing this much more often here on this channel, where I give you guys bit-sized answers to your most frequently asked questions, because I know when I usually do my Q&As, I pretty much give whole full answers with the details. But if you are simply just scrolling online looking for a quick answer, this is the perfect video just for you. Bite-sized answers to your huge questions. So if you have locks or you're thinking about getting locks and you're looking for someone to answer your questions in the quickest way possible, list your comments down below, all of your questions, because these videos will be coming out weekly. Okay, so here is a question that I get pretty much most frequently, and that is, what do I do with the loose hairs that come out of my lock? As you know, locks grow exactly the way that they want to, so if you're interested in keeping a manicured look, it takes a little bit of manipulation in the process. My biggest recommendation if your hairs are coming out of your locks is to lightly palm roll them. Now, palm rolling is just simple, just as simple as the name suggests. You put the hair in the middle of your palms and you slightly roll your locks. I suggest doing this with either water or a little bit of aloe vera gel, taking the loose hair and the lock and slightly rolling the loose hair around the lock again. What you will realize when you do this is that when you roll the lock in the middle of your palm, you are training the loose hair to get back into the swing of how you want it to grow. Now, do this lightly. Don't palm roll hard, with force, but do it lightly, because you want the hairs to simply gravitate back into how you want them to grow. You don't want to cause any dents, any type of, constricting to your locks. You're just simply retraining the hairs to get back into the swing of things. Like I said, you can use aloe vera gel or simply water, and do this every time you wash your hair, just so that the hairs will retrain itself back into the lock. Try this until your hair finally grows into the lock without you having to palm roll, and this should work very well for you. Now, I did answer this question in an extended version in my weekly lock Q&A. So if you want to hear more about what I think about palm rolling, getting the hairs back into submission, and all of that, my extended answer, check out this video up here. It was just posted, so you can listen to much more of what I have to say if you need a little bit more help. But thank you for watching. Like I said, subscribe if you want many more of these types of videos. If you have a question concerning your locks or natural hair in general, let us know down below and I will upload a video just for you. Thank you for watching. I hope that you were encouraged, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.